traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 27th of November 2020 and currently time is 9:58 AM. So traders, coming on to our watch list not trade, you can see that we have taken a trade in Hindustan Unilever. Okay traders, so this is our trade. Now let me tell you the setup or the logic. So traders, you can see in the morning first it made a triangle pattern. Okay traders, so after making a triangle pattern it gave the breakdown of this pattern, and at this place I entered into the trade. Okay traders, and after this breakdown we entered here and our stop loss is here and we are targeting for here. Now let me explain you in more detail. So let me open chart of 15-minute time frame. Okay, so traders, this is a chart in 15-minute time frame. Here you can see that Hindustan Unilever is also trying here again to make a triangle pattern. Okay, but it has not been yet completed and there is some resistance for Hindustan Unilever at place which was spending time in morning. So what we think is that the price is to go down, and also in 1 minute time frame it also gave the breakdown of this triangle pattern. So we are here and we have entered into the trade. Now what about the target? So traders, the next support is here, you can see here. This is, so we have placed our target here, but we have not given in the system, but we are trying to get that target, and there our risk reward will be 1.76. so let's see what happens traders, and this is our trade. And now I'm pausing the video, and when it will hit our target or stop loss I will update you. So traders, what happened here, that I trailed my stop loss till here to gain some good momentum or large momentum, and what happened here, it hit a stop loss, but now it is again trying to come downside. So I am not taking any another trade, but this is what happens. That's why we say that it's more about psychology. So then okay traders, then also we had booked a profit at price here by gaining 1:1 risk reward ratio, and we have captured this move. Okay traders, so this was our today's trade. Now let's calculate our profit in today's trade. So traders, we were having 13 quantities and our target points which we have achieved is 7.40. So our today's profit is 96 rupees traders, and this is our trade. You can see traders, we can get some double profit, but due to psychology problem and risk management, this is what happened. So it's okay, we are learning, and I hope you are also learning with me. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day. And also traders, if you are having any doubt, please ask me in comment section. We will learn what is and how to become a good trader. Okay traders, so thank you.